Do you want to send data from your Contact Form 7 form submissions to Zapier or Make or Pabbly? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to show you how simple it is with a plugin called Redirection for Contact Form 7. In this video, we're going to use Zapier as the example, but the process is very similar for other automation tools like Make and Pabbly. Hi, I'm Bjorn. Now let's get started. Before we get started, we have to install a couple plugins. The first one is Contact Form 7. That's going to allow us to build contact forms. And the second one is Redirection for Contact Form 7, which is going to allow us to add post-submission actions to our contact forms. To install Redirection for Contact Form 7 is super simple and it's free. There's a pro version as well that adds even more features, but you can do lots of post-submission actions for Contact Form 7 with the free version. To get the free version, all you have to do is log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and then click on Add Plugin. You're going to want to make sure you have Contact Form 7 installed. So in the search bar in the top right, search for Contact Form 7. Make sure that's installed. That one's currently active on our site. If it's not active, all you do is click on Install Now, and then click on Activate once the Activate button appears. When you have that installed, we can then go ahead and search for Redirection for Contact Form 7. This is the one we want right here by Theme Aisle. It's a high quality plugin, has lots of great reviews, lots of installs. Everything checks out. I'm going to click on Install Now to install it, and then I'll click on Activate. And now we have the free version of Redirection for Contact Form 7 installed. And if we go to the form builder for any of our Contact Form 7 forms by clicking on Contact on the left, then choosing a form, we now have an Actions tab right over here. We can click on Add Action. And from this drop-down, we can choose the action we want to add. We start typing webhook. We see that that's listed as premium. So we have to install another plugin, which is the premium add-on for the webhooks. I'll show you where you can get those. We go to this page right here. You can get here through the link in the description down below. This is the Redirection for Contact Form 7 page. Scroll down on this page here. You'll see a new menu pop up. It says Get Started at the top. It's going to take you down to where the pricing is for just this specific plugin. And you can see the prices are quite reasonable. Once you have the plugin in your account, you then log in and you'll see the list of plugins you have here with the premium version. Depending which one you get, you're going to have a set of additional plugins beyond just the base Redirection for Contact Form 7 plugin. You'll want to find specifically the one that says RESTful Web Services right here. Click on Download to the right. Download this plugin to your hard drive, and then back inside your WordPress dashboard, you can then go to Plugins, Add Plugin, click on Upload Plugin this time instead of searching for one. We drag and drop the plugin we just downloaded into here, or you can press on Choose File to find it on your hard drive. Then click Install Now. It says the plugin installed successfully. Now we go back to our list of plugins, and we have to activate that specific one. We scroll down till we find it. Oh, it's already activated. There it is right there. And now, when I refresh this Actions page, if we click on Add Action, search for Webhook, this lock will be gone, and we can use the Webhook action to connect to other automation tools. So let's refresh, click on Add Action, search for Webhook. The lock is gone. We click on there, and we can start building out our webhook. I'm going to change this title to Send Data to Zapier. In this field, we need to get information from Zapier. This is my Zapier account here. This also works in Pabbly and Make, as I mentioned before. In any one of those tools, you create a new workflow, and as the trigger, search for webhooks. And as the trigger event, search for catch hook, or basically a post. You are submitting the form, that data is then transferred to whatever automation tool that you're using. Click on Continue. I'm going to skip this one. Continue again. This is the webhook URL. Each of these platforms will give you this URL. It's going to be different for each one, but they're going to give you one that we have to copy and then paste into here. So this is where the information from the form is going to be sent. The method you can almost always keep as post. The tags mapping allows you to set what the field names will be when you send them to the automation tools. So we have the Your Name field. I'm going to type in name for that. Your email field, email, and these ones will copy over directly as they are. I could have copied these first ones directly as well, but inside the automation tools, I think name and email just makes more sense than your name and your email for when I'm creating workflows, but that's up to you. That's just a matter of preference. After entering all that important data, I'm going to click on Save. because that's now going to put that data into our database. And now what we can do is use the payload test option. And this will allow us to basically test submit the form without actually submitting the form on the front end. So let's fill this out over here. Then we're going to click on test. That's going to send the data to that URL. If you scroll down a little bit, you want to make sure that here it says response OK in brackets 200. That means it went through. Over on Zapier, click on test trigger, and here it shows a new record. If I click on that, it shows the data from that record. The name, the email, proposed project title, short project description. These field names are what we entered in the tags mapping. They just took out the dashes and made them capitalized, but that's where those names come from. And then we can use that data to do whatever we want. For example, I can make a new ClickUp task with that data. Choose create task, continue. Pick my workspace for the task name. If I type /, I can choose the data that came in from the webhook. So this could be the proposed project title, could be the task name. The description could be the short project description, which is also brought in from the form field submission. Maybe at the beginning I want to put submitted by, and then put my name in there, and then in brackets maybe my email address. And then once we save this, based on this template, we're going to create ClickUp tasks from those form submissions. And that's how easy it is to send your data from your forms to whatever software you need using Zapier, Make, and Pabbly, and the redirection for Contact Form 7 plugin that adds all these actions to the Contact Form 7 interface. Super handy plugin to have. If you want to add various post-submission actions to your Contact Form 7 form, check out the links in the description down below for the free version and the premium version of the redirection for Contact Form 7 plugin. There's going to be something you like there, and your visitors are going to thank you. So click the links down below and give RCF 7 a try today.